Welcome to English Evolution Step 1 to improve your English speaking practice. I am a player. I am playing. I am happy. I am a teacher. I am teaching. I am excited. I am a singer. I am singing. I am joyful. I am a dancer. I am dancing. I am thrilled. I am a reader. I am reading. I am relaxed. I am a writer. I am writing. I am content. I am a cook. I am cooking. I am satisfied. I am a student. I am studying. I am focused. I am a painter. I am painting. I am creative. I am a runner. I am running. I am energetic. I am a swimmer. I am swimming. I am refreshed. I am a gardener. I am gardening. I am peaceful. I am a driver. I am driving. I am alert. I am a builder. I am building. I am strong. I am a musician. I am playing. I am passionate. I am a traveler. I am traveling. I am adventurous. am a listener. I am listening. I am attentive. I am a speaker. I am speaking. I am confident. I am a helper. I am helping. I am kind. I am a learner. I am learning. I am curious. I am a thinker. I am thinking. I am thoughtful. I am a dreamer. I am dreaming. I am hopeful. I am a planner. I am planning. I am organized. I am a leader. I am leading. I am responsible. I am a friend. I am befriending. I am supportive. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Also subscribe for more practical English lessons.